Hello everyone. This printer is HP Envy 6122E. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. You will see that the Wi-Fi light is flashing intermittently. If you connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network, the light will be steady. Use your phone, scan this QR code. It will take you to Google Play Store for you to install HP app. So select QR code on your mobile phone, and the QR code is captured. Then select open link. I'm going to reject cookies. HP Envy 6100 series. Start setup. Then select start setup. It will show you load the paper, which we have done. Select next. Install the ink cartridges. We have done that on my previous video. Select next. Align the printer, which I have done in my previous video. Then select next. Install HP app to finish setup, scan, print, and more. Then select install. It will take you to Google Play Store. My phone is Android. I've already installed HP app on my phone, so I'm going to enable it. Then open the app. This is HP app. You can also go to Play Store straight away and type HP app. So the app is getting ready. I'm going to decline optional data. Select plus on top. Select plus. Set up a new printer. Select set up a new printer. How do you want to connect the printer? Wi-Fi network. Then select continue. Get the printer ready and etc. Select continue. Turn Bluetooth on. Select continue. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow. So Bluetooth is turning on. So the printer is found. HP Envy 6100 series. Setup. Select on it. Communicating to the printer. Connect printer to Wi-Fi network. HP Envy. Would you like phone to help set up the printer? I'm going to select no so that I can put the password by myself. So I'm going to select no. Connect printer to Wi-Fi network so the wireless router is found. So we're going to enter the password. So I have the Wi-Fi password right here with me. So I'm going to put the details. Then we'll go from there. Double check the information you put to make sure the information is correct. You can also select the I sign to check the information you put. And if you are happy, then you select continue. Finding the printer. Printer is found. Tap the check mark on your printer display. So you go to the printer and select allow. Printer prepared. Obtaining the IP address. Receiving the printer address. If you look on the Wi-Fi light that was flashing, the light is now steady. The printer is connected. IP address received. Connections finished. Then select continue. Printer privacy. I'm going to decline optional data. Checking printer status. HP Plus. Activate HP Plus for smart printing capability. I'm going to select do not activate. It's not compulsory. HP Plus, decline your exclusive HP Plus offer. I'm going to decline. Printer dynamic security, select continue. Getting to know HP service. Welcome to HP account. Check if ink and paper are installed. Then select continue. Fireware update, auto update recommended, select save. Let's print. So the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, so we can print documents. Select print to confirm that the printer is connected. It will show you the printer, then select print. Want to print from other device? Select continue. This is the printer and ink level. It will show you new HP cartridges installed. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network and print out a document to confirm. Thank you for choosing HP. Discover more ways to get most out of your printer. If you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. It will show you HP Envy 6000 series printer and scanner. Select add. It will show you connecting. You need to wait for the printer to show you ready. We can also print out a test page to confirm that the printer is connected. Installing. The printer is ready. If you want to print a test page to confirm that the printer is working, you need to select on the printer image or go off on the screen and go back again. So go to laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then select on the printer. It will show you HP Envy idle. Select print test page. So it's printing a test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Smart Universal Printing on laptop. Ports name USD, Windows S64, HP Smart Universal Printing. If you want to scan document, you select scanner settings, then select scanner properties, and make sure you can see the printer. The printer is available. So we're going to close the properties, then open scanner page. This is the printer. Scroll down to select flatbed. And if you want to scan documents, open the glass scanner. Put the document you want to scan face down on the glass scanner. Close the cover. This is A4. Then select file type as PDF. Show more. Color. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. We can select resolution up to 1200. So we selected 300 dpi. We want to save the document in the document folder. Select folder. You can preview the document or select scan. So we want to scan straight. So this document is scanning. To see this document that we scanned, select View. This is the document. To print it out, you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard. Go on the left side, select Correct Printer, scroll down to select HP Envy. Will show you ready. HP Envy 6100 series. Then you select number of copies, layout, portrait. We want to print on one side and also print in color. Scroll down, select more option, the paper A4 fit to printable area, 1 page, page sheet, and quality. Scroll down, 600 dpi quality is selected, then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document. We scanned and printed it out. Another method to add this printer, then go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store, install HP Smart App. Select HP Smart App, install and download it to your PC. Select Install. So the app is getting ready. So the app is installed, then you select Open. This is HP Smart App. Select Yes. I'm going to decline data. Then you sign into your account, set up a new printer, sign in or skip now. So I'm going to skip now, for example, or you can sign into your account. I'm going to skip now. If you don't want to sign in, then you select Add a printer. So this printer is already connected to a network. So select Add a printer. Location. So go to your laptop start. So select location, switch location on. And once switch location on, so it's going to search for the printer. So the printer is found, HP Envy 6100 series online. Select on it. And this is the printer and ink level. From this app, you can scan document, you can print document, you can do so many things you want. So this is how to connect the printer from your mobile phone, then connect it to your PC, print document and scan document, and also add it to HP Smart App to your PC. Thank you very much indeed.